Thank you again. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about, in a little more detail, type 1, or what I like to call chronic autoimmune disease or infectious disease diabetes. Okay? And this is typically, the picture is this person's not typically, at least initially, not overweight, and they're a skinnier person. Now, we have our analogy again. Here's our guy Bob, and here's his pancreas. And his pancreas, and here's my little triangles of the immune system, are attacking, his immune system is attacking his pancreas. And the question we have to ask ourselves is why, because we always want to know why, we want to look at the cause. Why is his immune system attacking his pancreas and producing less insulin? Now here's my draw, here's my cell, and here's my straw. And remember, my straw is my analogy of the insulin, which basically takes a sugar molecule, which here I have described as a star, and brings it in. So why are we destroying all of our insulin receptors, or our straws? Because the immune system is attacking the pancreas. So in the typical method of treatment, what happens is this patient would take insulin, right? Whether in forms of a shot or a medication. And then they would naturally, by doing the shot, they would increase their insulin or their straws so that they could shuttle more sugar into their cells. That would be the common method of treatment. But my question goes back to why is the immune system attacking the pancreas? And here's where it becomes very interesting. I talked about, let me clear this up. So I've still got your attention here. I just want you to understand this. So why is that occurring? And we have to look at potential causes. The pancreas, here's my drawing of my pancreas, and again I have my triangles of the immune system that are attacking it. Why? First thing we have to look for is infectious disease. Infectious disease, whether they're viral or bacterial, we could look at Lyme disease, Bartonella, Babesia, various viral infections, Coxsackie virus, and others that could be all there and causing the immune system to attack that pancreas. That's number one. Another factor is toxins, particularly heavy metals, like iron, over amounts of iron, also mercury, and many other of the heavy metals that could be playing a role. So this is very, very important for you to understand that this one here is more of an autoimmune disease. That means your own immune system is attacking your body's own tissue. Now, what's really exciting is you still need to follow the same dietary recommendations because obviously, I'm going to clear this up. You know, the less sugar you eat and the less chemicals you put into your body, the better you're going to be treating your immune system and the less stress you're going to be putting on your cells. But what I want to do is I want to lay out that with this chronic autoimmune infectious disease type diabetes, there are some possible important factors. Number one, you want to find the cause, and that's what I just talked about, doing the various testing to find out why it's developed. Number two, then from there you want to build a treatment plan that not only helps to protect the pancreas, because you really want to protect your pancreas, but you also want to develop a treatment plan that addresses the cause. Because the current method of treatment is just giving insulin, which you need to do. Don't stop any of this, especially you got to be under the care of a doctor. But as you're giving insulin, you're giving it from the outside and injecting it into your body in one form or another so that you can make up for the work of your pancreas. But what you want to do is you want to deal with why your pancreas is being attacked in the first place. Okay? And then finally, what I love about this is the future of diabetes with this type 1 diabetes and even advanced stages of type 2 is the use of adult stem cells to be injected into the body and to regrow or re-heal the pancreas. So could you imagine, let me just use this analogy here. This is the future of this. Okay? We have our pancreas, and let's say, I don't know, just for the heck of it, 1/3, and this is not to scale or anything, this is to help you give you my analogy. The immune system has attacked the pancreas so much that 1/3 of it is destroyed. Okay, it doesn't work like that, but I want you to understand it. We can inject into the body your own adult These studies are being done around the world right now. Adult stem cells to help grow back or replenish that 1/3 that was taken away. Or replenish the cells inside your pancreas called the islets of Langerhans that actually make the little straws or the insulin that's used to shuttle the sugar into your cells. Thank you for joining me today at Invita's Whiteboard. I'm just giving you a deeper overview. Look at the cause, especially when we're looking at type 1. Patient's not overweight. The patient may be dealing with an infection, an autoimmune disease cause. Deal with the cause of the disease. It plays a critical role. But remember not to overlook the dietary and lifestyle changes that also have to take place with type 1. Thank you for joining me today at Invita Whiteboard.